Good morning, everyone. So, today is a new day, and we are going to start the new lesson, A Triumph of Surgery. Now, this lesson is from your supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet. Let us begin our lesson. Triumph means victory. Surgery here means hospital. So, let us see which hospital has got victory and where has it got victory. Let us move on. This lesson is written by James Herriot. Now, James Herriot is his pen name. His real name is James Alfred Witt. He was born on 3rd October 1916 and passed away on 23rd February 1995. He was popularly known by his pen name James Herriot. He was a British veterinary surgeon and a writer too, who used his many years of experiences as a veterinary surgeon to write a series of books, each consisting of stories about animals and their owners. He is best known for these semi-autobiographical works, beginning with If Only They Could Take in 1970, which spawned a series of movies and television series. So here's your book, Footprints Without Feet, supplementary reader in English for class 10th. Now let us see what is this lesson about. Now in this lesson, James Herriot was a veterinary surgeon. In short, it is called vet. He loved dogs and had number of experiences with dog and their owner. He was given very interesting accounts of his expressions. In this lesson, he tells his experience with a rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. She loved her dog and overfed him. The dog was seriously ill. He treated the dog without medicines and surgery. Now, this story has been written by James Herriot. We already know this. The subject of this story is a pet dog which is spoilt by its owner. The owner indulges her dog so much with food and other comforts that the dog has become overweight and cannot even walk properly. Finally, the dog has been taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. The dog is left with all other dogs so that it can play and get the much needed physical exercise. After a period of enough physical activities, the dog loses much of its fat and becomes hale and hearty. That means he became very healthy. So, dog's recovery is the triumph of surgery. So, we were talking in the beginning, what is the triumph? What is the victory? So, dog's recovery is the victory of the hospital, victory of the surgery. He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard-muscled dog. James Herriot treated the dog without medicine or surgery. So, she was happy and filled with gratitude. Who is she here? Mrs. Pumphrey. She thanked Herriot and said it was a triumph of surgery. Now, talking about James Herriot, who is a veterinary doctor in the lesson, he was a vet. He was shocked to see hugely fat, like a blotted sausage, with a leg at each corner. So, this dog has become very fat, excessively obese. He already advised her to cut down on the sweet things. He expected call came within a few days and it was happened. He was called by Mrs. Pumphrey as Tricky refused to eat. He told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery a fortnight. There he gave him no food, no medicine, but plenty of water. Gradually, he mixed with other dogs and started playing with him. He had a lot of exercises and fun at the surgery. Talking about Tricky the dog. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. He was greedy and loved food, but no exercise. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pumphrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. See what an irony, children. So, this is all about your lesson, A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. And you can see in the picture, he has written many dog stories about, as he was a veterinary doctor, he came across many pet animals and their owners. So, he has shared his experiences in this story. Thank you.